Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to create a neon text for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. And here you can already see the end result of today's video. Okay, but now let's just start from the beginning. Here is your clip and you go over to Fusion. Here you have your media in one and media out one. What you want to do is add a text plus, just drag it right here. And to see your text on the left, just click the left point right here, like this. Then you just type in your text. I'm going with neon sky, and the effect works with every font, but I suggest to use a very strong text font. Okay, once you selected a font, just increase the size a bit, however you like, maybe like this. And you have to turn the color black. Yes, black. Just go to black, hit OK, and then connect the text here. Just click this one and drag it to your media in. Just like this. Okay, what you want to do now is duplicate your text. Just right click, go to copy, then click next to it and go to paste. Then you connect this text with your merge one. Just like this. Now you just choose the color of your neon light. For example, let's see what works for me. For example, this color works perfectly with this guy. Just hit OK, and this is your color for your neon effect. The next thing you want to do is click on the text node, then just hit the shortcut Shift plus spacebar and type in glow like I already did here, and use this glow effect. Just hit add like this until you can see it here. Okay, and now you just do the same again with the glow one node. Click it, Shift plus spacebar, and use glow, add it like this. Now you click on glow 2 and go to the inspector tab, and here under controls, just increase the glow size to 50. Let's say like this. Perfect. Now you can already see a great neon effect. Then we just click on the glow 2 node and Shift plus spacebar, add another glow effect like this. And with this glow 3, you also go to the inspector and increase the glow size to 150 or 200 like this. Adjust it. Perfect. And if you want to increase or decrease the intensity of the light, you can just use this blend tool. Like, okay, that's maybe too much, but you can just increase it or decrease it however you like. I'm just sticking with this. Okay, this is our text. Now what you want to do is go with your cursor all the way to the left. Here, your red cursor all the way to the left. And click on your merge 2. Now we go to the settings menu. And here we create a keyframe with just clicking on this diamond. The blend stays with 1.0. Now we just hop with the right arrow key, 1 or 2 frames to the right. I'm just making 1. And now you decrease the blend size to 1.1 until your text turns black. Then just click on the right key to make one jump to the right. Then just go back to 1.0. And you just do this a few times. Okay, perfect. And that should be fine. Now you just go back and let's see if it worked. And perfect. This is your neon effect. Okay, that was a little hack on how to create a neon text for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.